Lastly, this is something that you cannot take away from your skincare routine. This is something that you should not joke with. This is something that you should carry on with you as something really, really, really important. Hi lovelies, welcome to my beauty channel. My name is Damala. This video I have for you guys ultimate skincare routine for breakouts. Stick around and do not go anywhere at all. I'm so happy about this particular video because this video is for my girlies and my guys out there that have acne prone skin or oily skin, or people that have sensitive skin. They react easily to things and therefore they have breakouts on their face. So I'm so happy that we're doing this particular video. Finally, the thought just came to my head, why not do something like this? Anyways, let's just serve my girlies and my guys out there. So the first thing is what you're going to use to wash your face, either your cleanser or your facial wash. I'll be recommending 3 products for you. Either you choose the cleanser or the facial wash. The first one is a Zapzyt, if I'm pronouncing the name properly, please don't come for me, acne wash, which can be used to, clean your face, wash your face. This particular one says oil free and alcohol free. It has 2% salicylic acid and it has 10% benzoyl peroxide in it. Excuse me. Now these 2 ingredients are going to definitely help to unclog your pores. It's going to help to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to remove dead skin cells. It's going to help to remove any excess oil that you have on your skin that is causing your pores to be clogged up, that is now forming that breakout or forming that pimple that you have on your face that is resulting into acne. You need something like this in your skincare routine to help you do the magic on your face, right? It is very, very safe. You can use it if you have sensitive skin. It's not going to irritate your skin, right? Now one I'm going to recommend for you, which is a cleanser, is the CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. This particular one has 2% salicylic acid in it and it has 4% benzoyl peroxide in it. Now, like I said, those 2 ingredients are for treating acne prone skin, or those of you that have oily skin and you just want to remove excess oil on your face. You don't want to have too much of excess oil or having your pores clogged up too much. You need this particular 2 ingredients in your skincare routine, or you're just developing acne or every single time and you keep using a lot of things and you don't even know why it is not going. Probably just need an acne control cleanser in your skincare routine. All right, and that's actually why I'm recommending this. And that one I recommend for you guys if that one is too pricey, because CeraVe products are quite expensive. I don't know why. One that says clean and clear cleanser, this particular one is really good, also very, very good. It helps to clear blackheads. It helps to clean your skin. It has salicylic acid in it as well. So I think salicylic acid generally is a very good ingredient for acne prone skin, for breakouts. If you are developing breakouts, if you have acne prone skin, if you have oily skin, you need salicylic acid imbibed in your skincare routine. I have oily skin, but I don't have acne on my face. Do I have acne? I don't have acne on my face. Just small dark spots. This is it. Okay. I have acne, right? I have oily face, right? But I don't have breakout on my face. But I told myself that when next I'm shopping for cleanser, I'm going to get, a cleanser that has salicylic acid in it and niacinamide in it. I have my reasons, because sometimes you need to use things that will just be as a shock absorber, or basically help you to stand by for in case of incasity. So even if you don't have breakouts, this video is very, very helpful for everybody as a whole. Everybody as a whole. I say everybody as a whole, right? So once you're good with any of this cleanser, you can also go for a ceramide blemish. They have this particular one that says ceramide blemish cleanser that has salicylic acid and niacinamide in it as well. So you can use that one. That one is also very affordable. I think it's around 7,000 naira or so, whichever way your pockets can go for. But because I am so much on those of you that already have breakout on your face, that's why I picked the first one, the second one, right? Those ones are really, really very fast in terms of their results. Very, very fast, because we're trying to treat your acne and your breakouts. That's the whole idea of this video. Your acne and your breakouts, and also have a standby effect in case if it wants to rebuild itself. Does that make sense? Cool. Once you're done washing your face, you need a toner. Because in as much as you have acne prone skin, doesn't mean you should not hydrate your skin. You need so much hydration. In as much as if you have oily skin, you think because your face is looking oily, your face is hydrated. No, your face is not hydrated. You need hydration to the fullest. Especially for those of you that have breakout already, you need something to hydrate your skin. You don't want your skin looking really dry or tacky. You need hydration. You need something to make your skin look really glowing and all. You get me? If you cannot afford this particular one, go for any toner of your choice, but make sure that your toner is not something that would cause another breakout that we're trying to treat. Do you understand my point? So please be very, very careful while choosing a toner in your skincare routine. Very, very careful. We need something to continue what we've started. Does that make sense? Fantastic. After that, you need a serum, and we're going for an hyperpigmentation serum. And I'll be choosing my one and only evergreen, ever best, ever good looking, ever effective, good molecule discoloration serum. Why? Because these are served purpose for a very long period of time. If you are someone that have used this particular serum and you don't get the effect that it promises to give when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation, I don't know what to tell you, because it has, ingredient that is, it has a lot of ingredient that is definitely going to help do the job. And I have used it before, and I recommend it to my customers a lot. Clients come to meet me, and tell me that I need something to treat my hyperpigmentation. I definitely recommend this serum to people. I'm not lying. This is my honest truth. I can show you guys pictures of how the transformation of my client's face, I've been after using this particular product. I'm not even lying to you guys. This product is legit. It's very, very legit. It's legit beautiful. It's legit good. And I'm so proud of myself when I recommend this product to people, because their answers or their response to me back is always really good. And I always like customer satisfaction. Is very important to my business as a skincare consultant. So I'm not going to come here and lie to you guys. This product is very, very effective when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is not only when you have dark area in one side of your head. No, hyperpigmentation can also be after you have breakouts, you develop dark spots from it. That is also hyperpigmentation. Does that make sense? So please, let's incorporate this particular one in our routine. Please, if you cannot afford to get this one, there are other ones too. There's this Niless Kojic discoloration serum. There is annual, but to be honest, the discoloration serums are very, very expensive. So you just need to try and invest. You need to try and invest and get it. That's just it. All right, moving forward. After that, you need a moisturizer. Yes, I'm going to advise those of you that have acne-prone skin or already have breakouts to use a moisturizer, because you need hydration to the fullest. Like, you need hydration as much as possible. Yes, you need hydration as much as possible. You cannot run away from it. So I'll be recommending ceramide gel moisturizer. This particular one that says salicylic acid and niacinamide. Please, you can either get this one or get any gel moisturizer that is very effective. They also have another one that says oat hyaluronic acid. It has oat in it and it has hyaluronic acid in it. They have like 2 types. Whichever one you think you want to go for, please go for it. Look for lightweight moisturizers to be precise. It doesn't have to be the one I've recommended or these 2 that I've recommended. Just look for lightweight moisturizer and use on your skin, because we need something that is going to hydrate you up to the fullest. Yes, I said what I said. And then lastly, this is something that you cannot take away from your skincare routine. This is something that you should not joke with. This is something that you should carry on with you as something really, really, really important. And that is your sunscreen. Let me put a pause to this. Let me apply my lip balm first. Sorry guys, my lips is already getting so dry and I don't like it. So, as I was saying before this decided to interrupt us, so your sunscreen, I feel like it's something you guys need to take into consideration. If you have not been taking it into consideration, get a sunscreen, but please do not just get a sunscreen, get a good one. Don't get a sunscreen that will give you breakouts. And then come at me, so I'm like, damn Lola, you gave us routine for acne control, for blah blah blah, and it did not work. What about your sunscreen? What kind of sunscreen are you using? Because there's some sunscreen that you will get that will give you breakouts. They'll make you dark. They'll give you acne all over your skin. So please be very careful when you're choosing sunscreen. Please, I recommend Nivea sunscreen. In fact, I'm not going to recommend any other sunscreen aside Nivea sunscreen. Full stop. Let's leave it like that. Yes, Nivea sunscreen. If you know there is one you're using and it's working for you, continue at it. But please, do not use sunscreen that will give you acne or any form of breakout on your face. I am begging you guys. I can kneel down. Oh my God. I can kneel down to beg you guys. I'm begging because I don't like when my customers don't get their satisfaction or get what I promise them that they will get on their skin. It's used to pain me. Like, oh God. But let's just leave it like that. Please get a good sunscreen. Get a good sunscreen. That's would without a good sunscreen, I'm sorry, everything I've said so far is a waste of time and energy, and it's really painful. Really, really painful. So please don't let me waste my time here. Get a good sunscreen with it. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Are we good? If you want me to recommend more sunscreens, there are actually other better sunscreen. There are other better sunscreen aside Nivea. Please let me know in the comment section. I recommend more good sunscreen to you guys in the comment section. Are we good? Thank you very much. Please, if you know that I've done so well for you guys, please just like this video and subscribe, turn on post notification, and share this video as much as, take it personal, as if, oh my God, share this video, okay? I want to make sure that 50% of people in the world, America, you know, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, everywhere in the world, 50% of people in the world do not have breakouts. Can we achieve that? Is it possible? Let's go for it. That's it today on my channel. Do not forget to please subscribe, turn on post notification, like this video, and share as much as you can. I love you guys real good. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.